News 8 at 6. Local people, local news.
We begin tonight with the latest developments in the Lori Daybell case,
where some big changes are underway in the case of the death of Tammy Daybell. The investigation started the search for the missing children in Rexburg, J.J. Vallow and his sister Tylee Ryan. Lori Vallow Daybell is already facing charges for allegedly deserting the adopted 7-year-old and her biological 17-year-old daughter. Local News 8's Juliana Colini explains these new charges that Lori and her new husband, Chad Daybell, may be facing.
Tammy Daybell died on October 19, 2019 in what investigators have called a suspicious death. Investigators believe her husband, Chad Daybell, and his current wife, Lori Vallow Daybell, may have been involved. The newlyweds are now being investigated for conspiracy, attempted murder, and/or murder by the Idaho Attorney General's office, according to a letter we obtained. Fremont County had been the lead investigator in the case of Tammy's death until now. Fremont County Prosecuting Attorney Marcia Murdoch requested that the Attorney General's office provide prosecutorial assistance without her involvement. In the letter, Deputy Attorney General Colleen Zahn approved the request, saying, "The Attorney General will assume full responsibility and authority for the case." Zahn also writes that Fremont County will pay for all costs associated with the case, except for the salaries of Attorney General personnel involved. Tammy's body was exhumed in December, and detectives are still awaiting her autopsy report, according to Fremont County Sheriff Glenn Humphreys. Lori Vallow Daybell is being held in the Madison County Jail on several charges, including 2 felony counts of desertion and non-support of a child for her 2 missing children, Tylee and J.J. Vallow. She is scheduled for a bond reduction hearing this Friday and a preliminary hearing on May 7th. Reporting in Rexburg, Juliana Colina.
A status hearing for the Vallow Daybell's temporary guardianship case of J.J. Vallow is expected to happen on Wednesday. His grandparents, Larry and Kay Woodcock, filed that order back in January.